Not taking care of your prostate? Let's fix that with some top herbal remedies. Let's start with saw palmetto. This herb is your best friend for shrinking an enlarged prostate and easing those annoying urinary symptoms. It works by blocking the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT, the hormone linked to prostate growth. Next up, stinging nettle. Known for its anti-inflammatory powers, it helps manage urinary symptoms of BPH. Pair it with saw palmetto for enhanced effectiveness, and don't forget pumpkin seed oil. Packed with zinc and phytosterols, it can help reduce prostate size and improve symptoms. Plus, those essential fatty acids are great for overall prostate health. Want to whip up a prostate-boosting drink? Mix 2 teaspoons each of dried saw palmetto berries, stinging nettle leaves, and chamomile flowers. Boil 2 cups of water, add the herbs, simmer for 10-15 minutes, strain, add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seed oil, and drink up. Remember, herbal remedies can take a few weeks to show results. Always consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medications. Stay healthy, guys. Cheers to a happy prostate.